Today we are going to talk about one of the most critical aspects of running a website, backups. Yes, backups. You may not think about them until something goes wrong, but they can make all the difference between losing your precious data and recovering it quickly and easily. That's why the free backup service of Hostinger's web hostings plan comes in. It's a game changer for website owners who want peace of mind and protection against data loss. So picture this, you wake up one day eager to check your website and boom, it's down, hacked or corrupted. Your heart sinks and you panic. What happened? How can you fix it? Will you lose everything you have worked for? These are common fears and realities for website owners. But with Hostinger's free daily backups, which comes on their business hosting plan, you can rest assured that your website's content, files and databases are safe and secure no matter what happens. So now the question arises, how does it work? It's simple. If you have a Hostinger web hosting account, you can create backups of your website content by logging in into your account, heading to the manage section and searching for backups on the sidebar. It's under the file section. You can click on backups and you can see here are 4 options. The recently launched restore website with one click is a recently launched feature by Hostinger which is super powerful again for restoring the website with a single click. With file backups and database backups, you can download the files, databases. You can also generate a new backup, but keep in mind you can generate only one new backup in 24 hours. Hostinger will prepare a backup for your files and databases, which generate a new backup which you can download to your device or use it to restore your website in case of an emergency. You can generate a new backup every 24 hours depending on the number of hosted websites on your account. Of course, backups are not the only way to keep your website safe and secure. There are other measures you can take to reduce the risk of hacks, crashes and data loss. For example, you can regularly update your website software including your CMS, plugins, themes to patch any vulnerabilities and improve performance. Use strong and unique passwords for your hosting account, CMS, emails, and avoid using default and common passwords. Implement security plugins such as firewalls, malware scanners, and two-factor authentication. Hostinger provides all of these to add extra layers of protection and detect any suspicious activity. Back up your website's data regularly, preferably daily, and store your backups offsite either on the cloud storage or a physical device. With Hostinger's web hosting plan, you can see on the business web hosting plan, if you purchase the business web hosting plan of Hostinger, you will get daily backups for free. The value for the daily backups is $25, which you will get absolutely free with this plan. With the middle premium web hosting plans, you can get automatic weekly backups, but manually you can generate backups every 24 hours. Also, if you are using the powerful WordPress technology, then there are super powerful backups plugins which you can use, which is also available for free. Updraft Plus, all-in-one WP migration are some of the most popular backup plugins which you can use it for free. So what are you waiting for, guys? Back up all of your website right now. You won't regret it. And if you are not a Hostinger customer yet, now is the perfect time to join. Not only do you get access to the daily backup service, but you also get a reliable and fast hosting platform, user-friendly control, and the super awesome 24/7 customer support. Plus, Hostinger offers affordable prices compared to other hosting providers, and the websites created by Hostinger are super fast. So guys, this was the importance of backups and the Hostinger's free backup. That's it for today's video. We hope you have found it informative and engaging. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and followers, and subscribe to our channel for more tech content and amazing SaaS videos. And if you have any questions, comments or suggestions, feel free to leave in the comment sections below. We would love hearing from you. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.